Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In front of you are PP2, ready to present a poem entitled Goodbye PP2, Hello Grade 1. Welcome. We came to school to learn and play. We learn new things in every way. Our teachers help us day by day. They showed us kindness all the way. Now we are ready, brown and strong, to move ahead where we belong. Goodbye, PP2, we are on our way. We will keep on shining every day. We thank our teachers and our parents and management to care for all. With happy hearts, our work is done. Bye bye, PP2, grade 1, here we come.